Ito na tayong Walmart. Ito yung school ni Chloe. Today, dito tayo. Inatid ko lang si Chloe, tapos punta tayo sa Walmart. Bibili akong brief. Where's the briefs? Cocomelon teacher. And the Cocomelon family. And this one. And this one. It's Baby Shark and food. Apple. Also, Baby Shark finger papel. $26. 10 na yan. Boxer brief. And ito kay Finn. Puppet. Na-open siya, na-open. Ang galing ng door. Stick.
Please take your change. Cash is dispensed below the scanner.
Tapos na tayo sa Walmart. Punta naman tayo sa Best Buy. Check natin anong meron. Hanap ako ng earbuds. Yung $12 lang. Patatawid lang tayo sa street dito. Across the street lang. Katabi lang yun. Then, uwi na tayo. $12.